Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Cut Video Editor. First, open the application on your computer. You'll immediately see the user-friendly interface, which is designed for efficiency. Take a moment to observe the three main sections: your media library on the left, the timeline at the bottom, and the preview window on the right. Understanding these areas is crucial for smooth editing. This layout helps you quickly access and arrange your clips. Now, let's get your content into the editor. Simply click the Import button or drag your video and audio files directly into the media library. Once imported, drag your desired clips from the library down to the timeline. You can easily rearrange them by clicking and dragging. To shorten or lengthen a clip, use the intuitive trim tool at either end of the clip on the timeline. To make your video more engaging, Easy Cut offers a variety of effects and transitions. Browse the Effects panel and drag your chosen effect onto a clip in the timeline. For seamless scene changes, select a transition and place it between two clips. Don't forget the audio. Adjust volume levels for each clip and add background music from your library to enhance the mood. Finally, it's time to share your finished video with the world. Click the Export button, usually found in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to choose your preferred output format, such as MP4, and resolution, like 1080p. Give your project a clear file name and select where you want to save it on your computer. Then, hit Export and let Easy Cut do its magic. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.